If you are not yet making money with crypto yet, you are missing out on the biggest financial revolution of our time. While others are cashing in, are you still on the sidelines? Imagine turning a few $100 into life-changing money without needing Wall Street connections. In this video, I'm breaking down the real ways to make money with crypto, from passive income to high risk, high reward strategies. Stay till the end because I'm revealing a secret weapon even the pros don't talk about. Let's get paid in crypto starting now. So how do you make money with crypto? This is a very detailed guide. It's a step-by-step guide, and I'll start by saying that cryptocurrency has become a major financial asset class, offering various ways to generate income. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there are multiple strategies you can use to make money in crypto. This video explores the most profitable ways to earn with crypto, including investing, trading, staking, yield farming, NFTs, and more. And so let me start by talking about buying and holding, which we call hodling. What is hodling? Basically, hodling is a long-term investment strategy where you buy cryptocurrencies and hold them for an extended period of time, expecting their value to increase over time. This method is best suited for investors who believe in the future growth of crypto assets. So how do you get started with hodling? The first step is to choose a secure and reputable exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. And then buy established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or promising altcoins. The third step is to store your crypto in a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for security. And last but not the least, for hodling, hold your assets long term, avoid panic selling during market volatility. So what are the best cryptos for hodling? Bitcoin, which is BTC, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, and then Ethereum, ETH, a blockchain supporting smart contracts and DeFi projects, and then Solana, Sol, which is known for its high speed transactions and low fees, and then BNB, Binance Coin, which is the utility token of the Binance ecosystem, and then Polkadot, DOT, which focuses on blockchain interoperability. And so what is the second way to earn with crypto? We call it crypto trading. And so what is crypto trading? Basically, this involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies to profit from price fluctuations. Unlike hodling, trading requires active monitoring and quick decision making. So what are the types of crypto trading? There is the day trading, which involves buying and selling crypto within a single day to take advantage of small price movements. There is also the swing trading, which involves the holding of assets for days or weeks to capitalize on medium-term trends. And then there's also the scalping, which involves making small profits from rapid trades over short time frames. And then there is also the arbitrage trading, which involves exploiting price differences between exchanges by buying on one platform and selling on another. So how do you trade successfully? Learn technical analysis, example, chart patterns, indicators like RSI, which is the acronym for relative strength index, and then the MACD. You must also learn the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence. And also, to trade successfully, you must use trading platforms with low fees and strong liquidity like Binance or Bybit, and then also set stop loss orders to manage risk and also stay updated on market news and trends. The third way to make money from crypto is called staking. What is staking? Staking basically involves locking up your crypto in a blockchain network to support its operations. In return, you earn staking rewards similar to earning interest in a bank. So how do you stake? Choose a staking supported cryptocurrency like ETH, Sol, ADA, DOT, and also use a staking platform like Binance, Kraken, or a DeFi protocol like Lido, Rocket Pool, and then also stake your crypto and earn passive income. So what are the best coins for staking? Ethereum ETH, Cardano ADA, and Solana, which is the Sol, Polkadot, which is the DOT, then Avalanche, which is the AVAX. So what is the fourth way to make money from crypto? Yield farming and liquidity providing. What is yield farming? Yield farming allows users to earn rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized finance DeFi platforms. Investors deposit crypto into liquidity pools, earning interest and fees from transactions. So how do you start yield farming? Select a DeFi platform like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Aave, and Curve, and then deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool. Then earn rewards in the form of interest or governance tokens. What are the risks of yield farming? There is impermanent loss, which is in losses from fluctuating token prices in liquidity pools, and then there's also smart contract risks, which involves DeFi platforms which can be hacked or exploited, and then there are regulatory risks as some platforms may face legal scrutiny. So what is the fifth way to make money from crypto? That is called mining. What is crypto mining? Crypto mining involves using computing power to validate transactions and secure blockchain networks. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their work. What are the types of mining? There is Bitcoin mining, which uses ASIC, that is application specific integrated circuit miners. And then there is also GPU mining, which is used for Ethereum and altcoins. Then there's also cloud mining, which is used for renting mining power from a service provider. So how do you start mining as a beginner? Invest in mining software. Example, ASIC miners for Bitcoin and GPUs for Ethereum. And then also join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards, and then set up mining software, example NiceHash or CG Miner, and then pay attention to electricity costs and profitability. So what is the sixth way to make money from crypto? We call them NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So what are NFTs? NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership of art, music, virtual land, and collectibles. They are bought and sold on blockchain platforms. What are the ways to make money with NFTs? Flipping NFTs, buy low, sell high. So you can flip NFTs by buying low and selling high. You can also create and sell NFTs. Artists and content creators can mint your NFTs and sell them. Also, you can play to earn games like Axie Infinity and the Sandbox reward players with NFTs and crypto. So what are the popular NFT marketplaces? OpenSea, Rarible, Blur, Magic Eden. And then what is the seventh way of making money with crypto? Crypto airdrops and bounty programs. So what are airdrops? Airdrops are free crypto giveaways by blockchain networks to promote adoption, and users receive tokens for completing tasks like signing up, following on social media, or holding a specific coin. How do you find airdrops? Follow crypto news sites and Telegram groups. Then also check websites like Airdrop Alerts and CoinMarketCap airdrops. But beware of scams. Never share your private keys. There are also bounty programs where crypto startups offer bounties for promoting their projects, such as writing articles, making videos, or developing software. So what is the eighth way to make money with crypto? Play to earn games. So what are P2E games? They are play to earn games, allow players to earn cryptocurrency and NFTs through in-game activities. Popular P2E games include Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, Decentraland, Gods Unchained. So how do you earn with P2E games? Buy or earn in-game assets, also trade assets on NFT marketplaces, and then participate in tournaments and challenges. So the ninth way to make money from crypto is called crypto affiliate marketing. So what is crypto affiliate marketing? Affiliate programs pay commissions for referring users to exchanges, crypto exchanges, wallets, or services. So the best crypto affiliate programs are Binance affiliate program, Coinbase affiliate program, Crypto.com referral program, Ledger affiliate program. So how do you earn? Sign up for these affiliate programs and then share your referral links via blogs, social media, or YouTube. And then you earn commissions when users sign up and trade. So basically, these are the 9 ways to make money from crypto. Now, there are many ways to make money from crypto, not just these 9 ways, whether through long-term investment, active trading, or passive income strategies like staking and yield farming. However, the crypto market is volatile, highly volatile. So it's essential to do your thorough research, manage risks, and stay updated on trends. Now, let me ask, would you like me to focus on a specific method and go deeper into details? Do let me know in the comments, and also share this video with a friend, and also hit the subscribe link so you can be a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community, and we can all trudge on to success.